Hello friends, let's try this a man drinking coffee animation. To make this animation we need these three important commands. To duplicate we have to press Ctrl plus D, group Ctrl and G, and to ungroup Ctrl Shift and G. Let's get started. For this animation I have downloaded a SVG image from pixabay.com. Let's insert that image first. Now convert to shape. Right click and under group again ungroup the image. Open selection pane. Now zoom out and select the hand and hide it. Now select all and press Ctrl and G to group. Now right click by selecting this image and save it as a PNG picture and name it dash. Now unhide hand and save it also as a PNG picture as hand 1. Now duplicate this hand and zoom in. Now select this shadow and delete it, and also select this shadow under the cup and delete it. Why we are deleting these shadows? Because when we will raise our hand to get a sip of coffee, this shadow should disappear. Now select and right click and save it as PNG picture, name it hand 2. Now duplicate the hand 2 and zoom in. Now delete the remaining shadow under the cup and this will be our hand 3. Now delete these two SVG hands and go to insert. Select the desk image and 3 hands images and press insert. Align center and middle. Now select the desk image and name it as desk and lock it. Now hide only desk image and unhide SVG hand and PNG hand images. Now select PNG images and drag over the SVG image to overlap these images properly. Now delete this SVG hand image. All we have now is PNG images. This will be easier to work with PNGs as compared to SVG. This will not give stress to computer. Now it's time to animate. Unhide desk and hand 1 images. Select hand 1 and under animation tab apply appear animation. And add one more animation to it, that is disappear animation. And we want disappear animation to be with previous and with the delay of 0.15 seconds. And also we want appear animation to be after previous. Now copy this animation by double clicking over the animation painter. In selection pane, hide hand 1 and unhide hand 2 and click over it, so now all the animation copied to hand 2. Now hide hand 2 and unhide hand 3 and copy the animation. Click to animation painter, it will stop applying the animation. So now animation part is done. Now we want some movements. We want this hand to be lifted in this direction with a cup of coffee, and after a sip it should get back to their initial position. For this, rotate the hands and increase the size of hands one by one, because as we approaches to the mouth, hand should appear big. So please keep in mind this. We need more hands. So duplicate the hand 3 each time and rotate, scale and align it properly. Be careful in this position. Our whole hand should not enter the view, otherwise it will not look realistic. Naming is very important. Keep your selection pane clean. It will help us in animation. Let's check what we have made till now. Play it many times to see any problem. I think we need one more hand. There should be a glance of cup while this man is taking a sip of coffee. Now we want reverse movement of hands. For this, select each hand in reverse order and overlap it on previous hand. Let's check the animation one more time. Play it many times to see any problem. Still we have two problems. One is in the end, our hand should not disappear after a sip. For this, delete the disappear animation of hand 1. And second is at the beginning, it is starting very quickly. There should be a pause. For this, our hand 1 should disappear on the click. Now check this final animation with some sound effect. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.